Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Mongoose Argus Trail Fat Tire Mountain Bike. This fat bike comes with a Mongoose Youth MTB aluminum fat tire hardtail frame and alloy fork with 135mm spacing for a strong, stable ride. It offers ideal gearing for varied terrain without overwhelming younger riders. There are mechanical disc brakes to supply quick, effective braking even in slippery weather on bumpy trails. But let's be real, the tires are the star of the show. Knobby, oversized 4-inch wide fat mountain tires provide tons of traction, quicker stopping power and extra stability on tough trails. You don't need anyone to tell you how awesome they look. Finally, the Mongoose MTB Kids saddle is comfortable, offering added support for long arduous rides. From rocky single track to snowy hills, the Mongoose Argus is built to handle it all. The world of fat bike adventures is waiting. Get in on the fun with the Argus Fat Tire Mountain Bike by Mongoose. Our second best trail bike is Schwinn S29 Men's Mountain Bike. If you're looking to step up your mountain biking skills without breaking the bank, then look no further. The S29 mountain bike from Schwinn is the perfect bike to go out and conquer the trails on. If you're looking to step up your mountain biking skills without breaking the bank, then look no further. The S29 mountain bike from Schwinn is the perfect bike to go out and conquer the trails on. Equipped with a sturdy Schwinn aluminum dual suspension frame featuring a front suspension fork and rear shock, every trail is now in play. You'll appreciate the responsiveness and added bump absorption from the rear shock. 21-speed shifters and front and rear derailleur offer precise shifting, but also a super wide gear range that will let you tackle varying terrain in the same ride. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide the utmost stopping power in any riding condition, while the light double-wall alloy 29 rims and knobby mountain tires roll over obstacles and around corners easier. The S29 comes with a limited lifetime for as long as you own the bike. Third choice in our list is Mongoose Impasse Mountain Bike. The Impasse features a lightweight aluminum hardtail frame with front suspension fork that's ready for the trail. The 21-speed SRAM twist shifters with rear derailleur let you adapt to your terrain with ease, while the front and rear disc brakes provide crisp stopping power every time. Plus, the 29-inch knobby tires give you all the traction you need to conquer rugged trail conditions. Element suspension fork smooths the bumps and increases control. 21-speed rear derailleur with SRAM twist shifters changes gears easily. Number 4 in our side is Ancheer Electric Mountain Bike. The Ancheer 26-inch electric mountain bike packs all you need to ensure your top performance while out riding hills and trails. With the perfect combination of professional 21 Shimano gears and 500 watts pedal assistance as well as throttle accelerating to speeds of 20 miles per hour will be no issue at all. The 12.5Ah battery means a long range which make it the perfect adventure bike. The mountain e-bike is equipped with 500 watts high-speed brushless motor, providing more than enough to power your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. With speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it will get you there swiftly. At the heart of the e-bike is our large-capacity 12.5Ah lithium-ion battery giving you a range of up to 40 miles per charge. You can charge on off the e-bike by your convenience. E-bike and assisted bicycle and normal bicycle, you can choose the e-bike to enjoy a long time travel, and also exercise. Combining two modes would be a better choice. With 1-year service for the electric motor, battery and other parts except for frame, no worry about using it. This bicycle arrives 85% assembled. It's not hard to finish assembly by yourself. Last in our top 5 best trail bike list is Highland Mountain Bike. Highland Slycan has a high-quality ultralight aluminum frame with internal shift cable and brake hose routing, which can help your cables last longer by protecting them from the elements. Dual powerful hydraulic disc brakes are more efficient than mechanical disc brakes. It provides you better durability and stopping power for your most rugged adventures. 27 speeds drivetrain allows you to find the place that's most efficient for you within a range of variability. With a lockout fork can be utilized when riding downhill and on rough terrain. With the flip of a single switch, the suspension can be made more rigid for riding uphill or on pavement. 85% pre-assembled, easy to assemble, assembly tools included. If you have any questions about the bike, please do not hesitate to contact us. Please don't assemble the fork backwards. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.